I'm using this product for my kid and I found it very convenient in comparative to other bulky diaper bags. See, it has two mesh pockets. In one pocket, you can keep 2-3 diapers, and in other pockets, wipes, sanitizer, rash cream, talc, and whatever you require by changing diaper. Now, whenever we need to change diaper, lie the child on a mat which is really very soft for our child's skin. Now remove the dirty diaper. Take a tissue and wipe him. And make him wear new diaper. And your child is done. Also, in case mat gets messy, it is very easy to clean. Just take a wipe and it's done. Yes, very important. Always keep separate trash bag in mesh pocket to dispose of used diapers. I really thank Little Pumpkin to develop such a useful and portable product. Its size is so perfect that you can keep it in your carry bags. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share.